happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Some of you guys already know the video of today. It's all about the Huion drawing tab, which is the Huion 420X. It's a really an amazing and impressive drawing tab for your own kind of activities throughout design, editing, and even video editing, and even photography editing. So enough of me talking, let us just check out this bad boy and see what's goody. Okay, there we go. So as some of you guys can see, that this is our bad boy. This is the Huion 420X. It's a really compact and amazing, as you can see guys on the box, and it comes with a free pen. The pen is actually it's a free pen which does not use battery. You just don't charge it, and it's really impressive. So we're gonna just unbox it through this kind of bad boy and see what's goody about Inspiroy, because this kind of bad boy came out a little bit couple of past years, but still it has something which is top, which I mean it's perfect for your setup. So enough of me talking, let's jump in on unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's goody. There we go. Whoa, nice. So we're having this bad boy. I'm gonna keep it aside. Accessories, let us see what's good inside, to be honest. So that's our pen, really well kept, and looks really impressive. Our second stuff, we're having paperwork in here. We're having some extra nibs which you can interchange on your pen, which is great. A Type-C dongle to USB, which is impressive. You can connect it on your smartphone. Type-C cable, which you can connect between USB and Type-C, which is really impressive throughout your drawing tab. Wait, whoa, looks really smaller in size, to be honest. I kind of like that. Looks really compact. It does not take a lot of space, as you can see. It's just chilling there, which is really impressive. And you can just use your pen over here, and you know what I mean. So it goes to 0 degrees and 90 degrees to almost like 270 if I'm not mistaken, which is quite impressive. And you can see you can keep your USB Type-C somewhere here, and the material out of it is just really impressive, to be honest. And I really like it because you just throw it on your bag and it feels like it does not exist or something. It's really compact in size, and it's really amazing. So this is the Huion, it's called Huion 420X, and it's really amazing. It surprised me. It looks like a tablet, you know what I mean, like a 7-inch, is it 7-inch or yeah, 7-inch tablet, I think it fits in, which is really quite impressive. So let us just connect it on the machine right now and see what's goody. You can go directly throughout your working area, and you can select between rotating from 0 degrees, 90 degrees to 180 and 270 degrees, which is great. And you can say full area or all display, which is good, but I just want this monitor right now to work on it. And on the pen side, as you can see, you can select even Windows or mouse mode, because it's selected enabled Windows ink, and you can change sensitivity. If you want too much pressure, you can just have it there. You can test your pressure over here. So when I'm pressing too much harder, you can see the pressure becomes so bigger in size, but when I press it lighter, it's just going throughout there. And you can actually you know, control the whole sensitivity. If you want something smooth, just like that, you can see something like that. The brushes goes really cool. See something, because this is a little bit newer here. So this presses E. I want it to press the mouse, so this would be right, because this one is right, so this one might be left, which is cool. So when you're done, just minimize it. So I can press left over here, and you can see it's just working fine. So going all over the place of the view and show desktop, and let's find Illustrator, tap on create, and we're going to select between having just the brush. So this is our brush. As you can see, you can just draw it out, and it's really cool. By the way, the more pressure you add, the more it is, but just know that on Illustrator you have total control of everything throughout, adjusting your shapes and controlling the brush size but it's actually precise. It's just really cool. Let's say we're drawing something like a rounded shape and giving it something like this, like a sun or something, which is quite not bad, to be honest, through all this drawing tab. So it's really great. Can't complain it that much. The pressure sensitivity through all here is just awesome. You can see here, you can just do this, you can just do that. It's just really cool to just play around, and you just, you know, you just keep on playing around, doing your stuff, and you just draw it out depending on you what you really need on your artwork and stuff like that. You see, like the way I'm drawing right now, the mountains and stuff like that. It's just amazing. But just know that it's smaller in size, so you don't get enough room to go outside, but it's just compact. You know, if you just want something portable, this is just way to go. You just don't want something massive to be on your screen, on your space, not screen, on your space. It's really cool to check it out. So yeah, really amazing. So guys, that's it about the Huion H420X. It seems to be really great and amazing drawing tab. It does not take a lot of your space. It's just smaller in size. It's just pocketable, I can say. You can even keep it on your pocket, and another kind of stuff, you can throw it on your bag and forget if it does exist. And it's really compact, and to be honest, this kind of drawing pad, it's suitable for the people who are on the go and the people who just want some minimal spacing through our drawing tab. I think this is more suitable for that. And another kind of stuff for the people who like to do signing, signatures of online or signature forms for online. This is much better for having it instead of you investing on buying something bigger. So this, it's a really compact and amazing. I really like it, because what I wanted it so many times is just for my fewer kind of edits, especially when it comes to illustration and all of that. I don't want something bigger. This is just suitable for me. And another kind of stuff, when it comes to video editing, this is really cool. You can use it throughout your video edits or even photography on Lightroom. It's dope. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.